coming in with my Hershey's milk chocolate syrup. And we're gonna do a very light drizzle right on top of our M&Ms in our greased bundt pan. This is such a fun and festive dessert. Once we have a light drizzle in there, we can go ahead and put our bundt pan to the side and bring in a large mixing bowl because we are gonna make up some chewy fudge brownie mix, but we're gonna make this extra special. I have a way to vamp up our boxed brownies, super easy, super quick, with just ingredients you already have in your household. We're first gonna add some melted butter instead of vegetable oil. I just love the taste of butter. It's a little bit healthier than vegetable oil and it makes a richer taste. So we did 2/3 a cup of melted butter. And then instead of water, we are doing some coffee. Yep, I always add coffee to my brownies instead of water because it is just such a richer flavor and you can't taste the coffee, it just enhances the chocolate flavor. Every time I add coffee to my brownies, no one has ever mentioned they can taste the coffee. Now we're gonna keep the eggs to our traditional egg and we're gonna add 2 whole eggs to our mixture. And you wanna make sure that your butter and your coffee is cold so that you don't cook up your eggs while you mix this all together. But that is it. We just elevated our simple brownie mix with those 2 swap outs and we're gonna get something super rich, super tasty. It is gonna taste like a professional chef made this, but it's just your boxed brownie mix. So we're mixing this all together for this super easy Valentine's Day treat. All right, and we got that mixed together super fast. I absolutely cannot wait any longer. We gotta go ahead and bring back our bundt pan with those festive M&Ms in there. And it is time to add our brownie mix right in there. Now you can do this in a cupcake tin. You can do it in a 9x13, but I love the bundt pan because it just makes such a fun presentation. So we're gonna go ahead and get our entire brownie mix right in there with those beautiful festive M&Ms. All right. Last little bit right in there. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna smooth this out super quickly. It doesn't need to be perfect because we have one more thing we're gonna add to this. One more thing that's gonna make this extra tasty. Who doesn't love cheesecake with brownie? Oh my goodness. And I know it's a lot of sugar, but it's Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day is all about the sweets. So we're gonna add a few scoops of our cheesecake right on top of our brownie mixture to really make this a home run dessert that everyone will want seconds of. So we're just scooping a few little tablespoons of our delicious cheesecake in there.
I thought Valentine's Day was about love.
Well, I love sweets. And we can just use the same spatula to kind of get that nice and blended in. Don't worry, that brownie batter will just kind of rise and encase it so that we get a delicious cheesecake filled brownie. Oh, I'm so excited.
It looks so good.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. This smells so good. Oh my. All right, time to flip her. Super quick.
Woo. We did it.
Oh my goodness.
It looks delicious.
I definitely thought the M&Ms would be a little bit more colorful, but I bet it's gonna taste amazing. Oh, cheesecake, brownie, chocolate. What is not to love? Maybe you could put some frosting on it and some sprinkles. Let's check this out. I want to see that cheesecake. Yummy. This looks so good. I don't care what you guys say. Chocolate cheesecake, it's gonna be a winner.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. Oh.